Today I am explaining you simple past tense. In the simple past tense, I am taking 7 personal pronouns. First person singular I, plural we. You is singular as well as plural. Third person singular he, she, it, plural they. Now I am taking all these 7 personal pronouns to construct sentence. Okay. First, subject part I, verb part went, object part to Bombay yesterday. So, subject, verb, object. Here there is no helping verb because in the simple past verb is in the V2 form. Okay. Second, we you take. First person plural we. We is in the subject part. Learnt is verb part. Next immediately object part, English grammar. We learnt English grammar. You is second person plural as well as singular. So you heard the news. Subject, verb, object. He wrote a poem or he wrote a poem last month. He, subject part, wrote. Verb part, a poem last month is object part. She is subject part, sang. Verb part, sweet song, object part. It is subject part, ate. Verb part, biscuits, object part. They, subject part, opened. Verb part, door day before yesterday. Object part. They opened door day before yesterday. Like this, the sentences are constructed in the simple past tense. I think you understood. You can construct by taking one personal pronoun I. You can construct 7 sentences. I went to Bombay. I learnt English grammar. I heard the news. I wrote a poem last month. I sang sweet song. I ate biscuits. I opened the door day before yesterday. By taking I, you can construct 7 sentences. Next, you can take you. You went to Bombay. You learnt English grammar. You heard the news. You wrote a poem last month. You sang sweet song. You ate biscuits. You opened the door day before yesterday. Like that, he went to Bombay. He learnt English grammar. He heard the news. He wrote a poem last month. He sang sweet song. He ate biscuits. He opened the door day before yesterday. Like that, she went to Bombay yesterday. She learnt English grammar. She heard the news. She sang sweet song. She ate biscuits. She opened the door day before yesterday. Like that, you can take it. It went to Bombay yesterday. It learnt English grammar. It heard the news. It wrote a poem last month. It sang sweet song. It ate biscuits. It opened the door day before yesterday. Like that, you can construct the sentence by taking they pronoun. They went to Bombay. They learnt English grammar. They heard the news. They wrote a poem last month. They sang sweet song. They ate biscuits. They opened the door day before yesterday. Like this, you can construct each pronoun 7 sentences. Each pronoun 7 sentences you can take. I think you understood. Try to write how I said. Thank you.